Welcome to our video on the surprising health benefits of dill. This humble herb, with its delicate, feathery leaves and distinctive aroma, is more than just a garnish for your pickles or a flavoring for your potato salad. That's right. Dill isn't just for flavoring your food, it can improve your digestion, boost your immunity, and even help you sleep better. Did you know that this common kitchen herb could be your secret weapon for better health? Dill has been used for centuries in cuisines across Europe, Asia, and the Middle East, not just for its flavor but also for its medicinal properties. From the ancient Greeks using it to cure hiccups to Vikings believing in its soothing effects, dill has a rich history of both culinary and therapeutic use. But what makes this unassuming herb so special? How can something you might already have in your spice rack potentially improve your well-being? In this video, we'll explore 5 surprising ways that dill can boost your health quickly and easily. We'll delve into the science behind dill's benefits and show you how to incorporate more of this powerful herb into your daily diet. Get ready to discover why dill deserves a starring role in your kitchen and your health routine. Dill is a powerhouse of antioxidants, substances that play a crucial role in protecting our bodies from harmful free radicals. Antioxidants neutralize these unstable molecules, which can damage cells and contribute to various health issues when present in excess. Free radicals are a natural byproduct of cellular processes, but environmental factors like pollution and UV radiation can increase their production, leading to oxidative stress. The herb is rich in flavonoids and other antioxidant compounds that effectively combat free radicals. These plant-based chemicals not only neutralize free radicals but also support the body's natural antioxidant defenses. Dill's antioxidant profile includes vitamins C and E, as well as various phytochemicals that work synergistically to protect cells from oxidative damage. By incorporating dill into your diet, you may potentially reduce inflammation and lower your risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. The antioxidants in dill help maintain a balance between free radicals and antioxidants in the body, preventing oxidative stress that can lead to cellular damage and contribute to the development of these conditions. Regular consumption of antioxidant-rich foods like dill, as part of a varied diet, may offer long-term health benefits and support overall well-being. Dill shows promising potential in supporting heart health through various mechanisms. Animal studies have indicated that dill extract may help reduce LDL, bad cholesterol levels, which is a key factor in cardiovascular health. While human studies have shown mixed results, the cholesterol-lowering effects observed in animals suggest that dill could play a role in managing lipid profiles and potentially reducing the risk of heart disease. The herb's cardiovascular benefits extend beyond cholesterol management. Dill contains flavonoids, which possess potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that can protect heart health. These compounds help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which are significant contributors to the development of cardiovascular diseases. By reducing inflammation throughout the body, dill may help maintain the health of blood vessels and support overall heart function. To incorporate dill into your diet for heart health, consider these tips. Use fresh dill as a garnish for soups, roasted vegetables, or cold cucumber salads. Add chopped dill to potato salads or sprinkle it over baked potatoes. Incorporate dill into yogurt-based dips like tzatziki for a heart-healthy snack. Use dill to flavor fish dishes, which are already beneficial for cardiovascular health. Add dill to homemade salad dressings or marinades for an extra boost of flavor and potential health benefits. By regularly including dill in your meals, you may be able to harness its potential cardiovascular benefits while enjoying its unique, refreshing flavor. Dill shows promising potential in helping manage blood sugar levels, particularly for individuals with type 2 diabetes. A clinical study involving patients with type 2 diabetes found that dill powder supplementation significantly decreased serum insulin levels and improved insulin resistance markers. This suggests that dill may play a role in enhancing insulin sensitivity and glucose metabolism. The herb's effects on blood sugar regulation appear to be multifaceted. Dill contains bioactive compounds that may help reduce the breakdown of starch into glucose, potentially preventing sudden spikes in blood sugar levels. Additionally, some research indicates that dill might stimulate insulin production from pancreatic cells, further contributing to better glycemic control. While these findings are encouraging, it's crucial to note that using dill extract or supplements for blood sugar management should be done under medical supervision. Blood sugar levels should be closely monitored, especially if you're taking diabetes medications, as there could be interactions or cumulative effects. Always consult with a healthcare provider before adding dill supplements to your diabetes management regimen. Dill has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for various digestive issues. Traditionally, it has been employed to alleviate gas, bloating, and other gastrointestinal discomforts. The herb's carminative properties make it particularly effective in reducing flatulence and abdominal distension, providing relief from these common digestive complaints. The essential oils present in dill play a crucial role in stimulating appetite and improving overall digestion. These oils help increase the production of digestive juices and enzymes, which can enhance the breakdown of food and absorption of nutrients. Additionally, dill's anti-flatulent properties help reduce the formation of gas in the alimentary canal, further contributing to improved digestive comfort. To harness the digestive benefits of dill, try this simple recipe for a soothing dill tea. Bring 1 cup of water to a boil. Add 1 teaspoon of dried dill or 1 tablespoon of fresh dill to the water. Remove from heat and let steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain and enjoy warm, preferably after meals. This tea can help stimulate digestion, reduce bloating, and provide relief from minor stomach discomfort. For added flavor and benefits, you can include a slice of lemon or a small amount of honey. Consuming this dill tea regularly may help support overall digestive health and alleviate common gastrointestinal issues. Dill possesses remarkable anti-inflammatory properties that can be particularly beneficial for alleviating various conditions, including menstrual cramps. The herb contains compounds that may help reduce inflammation and relax smooth muscles, potentially easing the discomfort associated with menstrual pain. Women experiencing menstrual cramps may find relief by incorporating dill into their diet or using dill-based remedies during their menstrual cycle. In addition to its anti-inflammatory effects, dill exhibits potent antibacterial properties that can support overall immune function. These antibacterial qualities help protect the body against various pathogens, potentially reducing the risk of infections and supporting the immune system's ability to fight off harmful microorganisms. In conclusion, dill is not just a flavorful herb, it offers a surprising array of health benefits that can enhance your well-being. From its rich antioxidant content and heart health support to its potential for managing blood sugar levels, aiding digestion, and providing anti-inflammatory effects, dill truly deserves a place in your kitchen. We encourage you to experiment with growing your own dill or incorporating it into your cooking. Whether you're adding it to salads, soups, or herbal teas, this versatile herb can elevate your dishes while contributing positively to your health. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips and culinary insights. We'd love to hear about your experiences with dill. Share your favorite recipes or how you've used dill to improve your well-being in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and happy cooking!